Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on two Cantu products. This is from the Avocado line, and today you're going to see me apply. These are the results, and I'm going to talk about the results as well. But before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about the leave-in conditioner as well as the curling cream. And this is the new Cantu Avocado Hydrating Leave-In with olive oil, aloe as well as shea butter. It promises to mend and condition. It's for dry brittle hair, and it's also mineral oil free. It says it's also free from parabens, paraffin as well as phthalates. And then I'm also using today the new Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curling Cream. It also contains shea butter, mango butter and coconut oil. It promises to moisturize and define. It's for frizz-free curls, and it's silicone-free, it's paraben-free, it's paraffin-free, and it's also free from phthalates. So you're going to see me insert the application. I did apply it in larger sections because it's a cream. I raked it and smoothed it in because I wanted to get, every single curl covered. The leave-in conditioner is very, very, very creamy, white in color, and I think I should have said this at the beginning. This is a first impressions. It has a very light smell. I thought it would have a very strong smell like other Cantu products, but it really, really doesn't. Nice, thick and creamy. The curling cream, it has a much softer texture. I'm just going to open it up. It's also white, thick and creamy, but it has a much softer texture. I like the creamy product, so I was really drawn to this line as well. But going back to the leave-in, also applied it in larger sections, made sure my hair was covered, did exactly the same thing with the curling cream, and then I let my hair air dry. My hair air dried really, really nicely. It had definition. I was very, very happy after it was dry. Today is the next day. This is what my hair looks like without refreshing, so I'm just going to refresh it and touch it up a bit, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I refresh. I'm just going to take a little bit of water. I'm going to spritz it on my hair. If I need to add product, I will, but I'll let you guys know. I'm going to go off camera and I'll be back. So let's talk a little bit about the results. I have a lot of frizz. You guys know I don't care for creams, and this is one of the reasons why I did refresh my hair with water only. I could have added more product to soothe it out, but I wanted you guys to really see the results. My hair is pillow soft, nice and fluffy. I like my hair pillow soft and fluffy. I've got quite a bit of frizz, which means a loss of definition. When it comes to hold, the hold is very, very light. For me personally, this wouldn't be something I'd repurchase or something that I would want to actually use on my type of hair. But again, it's my personal preference as to how I like my curls. Judging from day one, guaranteed this is going to give me maximum day 2 hair. I'm going to have to reapply a whole lot of product if I'm going to want to continue rocking wash and goes using this line from Cantu. So for me, it's really not a product that I would repurchase or use again. I like gels. Gels give me more hold and more definition. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. You guys can see the type of results I got from this. I did a very similar application as I always do. My fringe is also very, very frizzy. Something else, I think there is a bit of length, so not a lot of shrinkage with the cream, which is nice. I know a lot of people will appreciate the lack of shrinkage, but yeah, it's a wrap, guys. Nice and soft. Gets a thumbs up from me. Definition, not really what I'm looking for. If you've tried it, let me know in the comments. If you really wanted to know my thoughts on it, or you were thinking about it, drop your comments down below as well. And as always, guys, you'll see me again in another video. Bye.